What's up, boys? Well, I'm trying to dump the GoPro and get into the DJI ecosystem. So I got the Action 6, the Osmo 360, and a mini mic. I did purchase all of these with my own money. So far, testing them, they work excellent. You can link these Bluetooth to almost every other action camera that I have. I also got the Neo2, which is also pretty awesome. Has obstacle avoidance, all that. One of the questions I had about the Neo2 was what was the top speed now? Nobody answered. It's 27. And it is a little bit bigger than the Neo 1. I did get a nifty case for the Neo 1 since it's coming out of that Avata 2 case, and this is fitting in there snugly, but it fits. Fits perfectly. So yeah, the Neo 2 is a little bit larger, it's faster, and it's a little bit heavier. Unlike the other DJI ecosystems, that battery will not swap with that battery. I did get a little bit of video with the Neo 2, but it's been really windy here. I'll show you what little bit I did get. It flies pretty darn good. It's literally in between the Neo original and the Avata 2. It's probably almost dead center middle. Speed, performance, everything wise. The battery time is about the same as the Neo 1. I'm not going to be doing reviews on each one of these separately, but if you have any questions, like the new Osmo 6, when I bought it, I wasn't sure whether the old mic adapter would work. The mic adapter does work on all the newer stuff, and the battery in the newer stuff also works in their older stuff. So their ecosystem compared to GoPro is way better. The quick releases that worked on the Osmos prior to 6 do not line up properly. Because remember, you can only go one way on the old cameras. Where on the Osmo Action 6, it just lines up a little bit off. The only update that they really did was move the magnet. And you can use it on the old stuff, except it's lined up a little bit off. This was the last purchase I made. So this is the Osmo 360. I've been using the Insta360 on my last bunch of videos actually. Now, nice thing about these two cameras, besides having this quick disconnect that will work on either, this 360 camera you can use as a forward-facing camera only, and it works just like an action camera. So technically you can have this to do everything. The only bad part is you have to get lens protectors. I did a little bit of recording with this on that welder I reviewed. I got a spool gun coming in, so check that out. This was on sale. Osmo Action 6 was not on sale, and it took a while to get here. Osmo 360 was on sale. Of course, the Neo 2 was not on sale. I had to order that through eBay. If you want one of them, you're going to have to go through eBay. Hopefully you can get it before the DJI ban, if it happens. So I'll definitely put the link for that if you're interested in one of those. I'll put the link for everything. And if you have any questions, because I did ask other YouTubers in the comments questions like about this mic adapter, and no one had any answers. Also asked about the mounts. It seems like other YouTubers just never get back to you. These are all Vin Cheezel approved. I did buy these smart glasses. They're not the Meta glasses. The video was okay, but the audio was horrible. I'm going to make some clamps for this welding table, some accessory tools.
Yeah, get your comb over settled.
You look smart!
But then they switched from the swing line to the Boston stapler, but I kept my swing line stapler.
You got your smart glasses on?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.